It's very foiled. Bango niya, sis. I think it's a bit dark. Hey guys, what's up? It's Juno and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last posted a makeup video, so I thought, ayan, meron tayong makeup haul, and this haul is a Balikbayan box haul kasi this is all the way from UK. Yay! These items are from my sister. She's in UK. So, ayan, nagpabili ako ng mga stuff sa kanya in UK na mahal or overpriced binibenta dito sa Philippines. Before we begin, if you're interested with this content, please click the like button down below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and the bell notification beside it for you to be notified whenever I upload again. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. I'll just pick in random kasi I placed them in a box para pick na lang, and I haven't used any of them yet. So, yung iba dito is if you feature ka rin sa channel ko for a review. First thing is the Juno & Co Microfiber Velvet Sponge. Now, ito yung favorite sponge ni Kathleen Light. So, I wanted to try it out. Wala. Gusto ko lang siya i-try. So, I'm really curious bakit Holy Grail status to ni Kathleen Lights. That's why I made her buy it. Okay, next is the Morphe sponge. This is the Morphe sponge. So, ang tagal ko nang gustong bilhin to. Kaya lang yun nga, overpriced siya dito sa Philippines. So, ayan. Next item from Morphe is the Continuous Setting Mist. So, ito, matagal ko na rin itong gustong kunin. Ito yung, ito yung mist na tuloy-tuloy, pero I don't want to, parang ayoko siyang aksayahin kasi, you know, isa lang yung meron ako, but, oh! Very fine nga yung mist niya, nakakatuwa siya gamitin. So, medyo kailangan tipirin ng paggamit nito dahil mahal to sa Pilipinas. Next item is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is for the base, so yung face mo. So, I got this kasi I heard good reviews about it and I really want to try it out kasi ang daming may favorite nito. This is in the shade Sheer, so, oh, okay, so ganyan siya. Okay, so okay naman yung sheer. Hindi siya yung parang silicone primer. Luminous primer siya. So, I'm excited to use this as well. And then, next is the e.l.f. Prism Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade Naked. Lately, I've been obsessing sa mga glitter eyeshadows kasi they're just really fun sa mata. So, ayan. I made her buy it din. This is one of the videos na I made my sister buy it and she buys it. Yan. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan. Diba? Wala lang shade names to, but let's try swatching one color. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, okay. Cool. Okay, maganda siya, maganda siya. It's very foiled, but it's not that metallic. Pero yeah, it's foiled and I like it already. Next item is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in the shade What Shady Bitches. What Shady Bitches. Okay, so ayun yung shade name niya. Hopefully, this is my shade. Wala lang. Pero I feel like it is. So, ito siya. So, this is what it looks like. So, meron siyang parang leaf na naka-emboss. Tas, ayun. So, let's watch it. Okay, so I think medyo, yeah. It could be. Kasi base sa swatch, medyo orange siya. Pero, we'll see. Let's try it in the future. So, if ever na ayaw ko siya, I'll let you know also. I also got the Wet n Wild foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige. So, hopefully, this is my shade as well. Kasi ang hirap maghanap ng shade. Ayan. This is interesting kasi ito yung parang mga nire-rave na products back then. Well, until now yata, nire-rave pa rin to. Pero I'm not so sure. So, yeah. So, this is my perfect color. I'm so happy. Ayan, so, I'll review this as well. Nasa glass kasi siya. And then, next is ito. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage. I got the shade Bronze. So, I think this is a bit too dark for me. Pwede ko naman siya haluan ito since this is too light. So, I'll just use a bit of this if ever it's dark. Pero, minsan kasi okay lang. Ay, may mga pagkakataon kasi na kahit na dark, umu-okay pa rin sa skin tone ko. May pagkataon naman talaga sobrang dark siya. So, we'll see. I think it's a bit dark. So, I'll just mix it with my other foundation to make it light kasi it's dark sa akin. Ayan. Next item is the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. So, I wanted to buy this na sobrang tagal na kasi maganda rin to for oily to combination skin. So, I can't wait to use it. Next is this one. This is the Jungle Rock Loose Highlighting Duo in the shade Gold Lioness or Bronze Tigress. Yan, so ito, parang siyang door. Ito yung BR. Next item is the NYX Glitter Primer. So, ayan, I bought this primer kasi, ayun nga, lately I've been into glitter. So, wala kasi akong glitter primer. So, I want to try using a glitter primer to see kung mas maganda ba talaga yung glitter pag in-apply sa lids gamit ito. So, hopefully, yes, kasi lately talaga sobrang addicted ko sa glitter. As in, legit, no joke. Next is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. Bango niya, sis. Bango niya, Mars. So, ayan. Dito sa loob, parang merong, ano ba to? Sponge. So, it's weird. Sponge siya. Usually, brushes eh. Pero, ayun. Sponge siya nandito. Next product is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is in the shade 150 Molten Peach. Wow! So, ang ganda niya. And, ang smooth ng texture niya. Ito yung swatch niya. Medyo dry yung pagka-swatch ko. But, you know, we'll see its performance naman sa face, hindi sa kamay. So, yeah, let's move on. So, this is a Scalp Massager. She gave me this kasi I have seborrheic dermatitis. If hindi mo alam yun, Google mo. Joke lang. Nagpe-flakes yung ulo ko. I mean, yung head ko. So, maraming dandruff. And then, apparently, nag-work daw sa kanya to. So, gusto niya na i-try ko rin to. Baka daw mag-work din. Kasi, parang nalilinis niya talaga yung head mo pag nagsha-shampoo ka. Okay, next item is Victoria's Secret Just a Kiss Eau de Parfum. I don't know how to pronounce it. So, yeah, ito siya. Ang ganda ng bottle niya. So, parang ayoko na gamitin dahil sa bottle. Pero, hopefully mabango. Okay, mabango naman siya. Next, we have the Neutrogena Tea Gel Therapeutic Shampoo. So, I think this is, yung coal tar. Yeah, this is yung coal tar. So, coal tar is para sa mga may dandruff na may dandruff. So, ayun, when I consulted my dermo kasi, ang binigay nila sa aking shampoo is yung redwood coal tar yata. Pero sobrang mahal. As in, ang mahal. 1.5 yata binibigay sa akin ng derma yun. Pero, I'm not sure kung yun talaga yung presyo. So, I just skip that kasi ang mahal talaga niya. So, ayan. Binigyan niya ako ng coal tar kasi siguro mas mura doon. I want to try it to see if it's really effective kasi I have itchy flaky scalp. Tapos na tayo doon sa may shoebox. Next naman yung dito. So, itong mga items na nandito is galing sa subscription box niya sa Birchbox. Before, I have subscription box din dito sa Philippines. Pero, ewan ko kung bakit wala na yung sample box or salad box yata yun. I don't know, wala na sila. First thing is the Huygens Paris Organic Purifying Face Wash. Okay, hindi ko alam paano i-pronounce yung Huygens. So, this is just a sample size. So, hindi ko pa siya actually na-try. But, I'm interested to try this out. Next is Dr. Pau Pau Ridge Mocha Balm Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm. I think this is a lip balm. Yeah, it's very sheer. So, I think for lip balm, ganyan. And, if you want a little bit of a glossy lips mo for a matte lip, you can use this. Next is the Dome Beauty Cheeky Envy Pressed Powder Blush. This is in the shade English Rose. Parang naalala ko sa kanya ni Chido. It's very small and no, it's mauve. I don't think I can wear it kasi masyado siyang light for me, but we'll see, baka naman bagay sa akin. So, ayan. Next item is the Brushworks Facial Cleansing Pad. I don't really use yung mga ganito kasi usually ginagamit ko to pang linis ng brush kasi I used before pero parang na-irritate yung skin ko. So, I stopped using it and then used it for my brush cleaner na lang and it works sa mga eye brushes ko. Next is the Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foam Cleanser. This is a sample size with deep cleansing amino acids. So, ayan. Let's try it out later. Next item is the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I'm not sure if this is for the lips or for the face. So, i-research ko muna. Ayan, yan siya. Very cute. Pink yung liquid and may mga floating pieces. So, feel ko for the face. But, feel ko rin somehow for the lips siya. Next item is the Forgive Me Suzy Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Love Letter. Very champagne color niya. My cup of tea. Oh my god, I like it! So, ito siya. It's very metallic. Yan o. Wow. Yan. I like it already. So, ayan. I can't wait to use it on my eyes kasi ang ganda. Next item is the Beauty Crop Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. Basically, it's just an eyeliner. So, hopefully, I'll like it. Last but not the least is the Kevyn Aucoin Jewel Pop Face and Eye Palette. So, ito yung pinakamahal. Pero, ay nakalagay. Our price, £9.99. Pero, ang SRP niya is £47. So, nakuha niya lang yata to sa subscription box niya. Hopefully, merong i-release ang Philippines na subscription box din. Wala lang. I just think it would be really interesting. So, this is what it looks like. You have your eyeshadows here, and then you have your blush. And then, I think this is for contour. So, I'm excited for this contour. I'm excited for this contour kasi cool tone siya. And so, ang dami dito is parang metallic siya. Like, etong shade na to, pati to. Let's try the shade Citrine kasi kanina pa niya ako tinatawag. Oh, it's not that bad. Hindi siya ganun ka-metallic, but, you know, we'll see it perform sa mata natin, hindi sa hand. So, okay. So, that's the end of our haul video. Leave me a comment down below kung ano yung gusto mong i-review ko sa mga products na to. And, speaking of haul, since, you know, 11/11 just came by. Did you buy during the 11/11 sale? Are you safe? Or nag-splurge ka? So, let me know, and let me know also kung ano yung nakuha mo during the 11/11 sale. Ako kasi hindi ako nag-11/11 sale. So, ito na yung 11/11 sale ko. Itong haul na to is yung 11/11 sale ko. I'd love to know your thoughts about all of these products kung na-try mo na siya. And if gusto mo ba siyang itry, let me know. Let's share each other's thoughts in the comment section down below. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next video. Bye!